What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we got a special one going on. We're going to be putting more power on the C32 and I'm super excited. What we're going to be doing is switching out the pulley, the stock pulley on here to a 64mm pulley. And we're going to be doing a tune as well on it. It's going to be a stage 2 tune. I've got the pulley here. I want to shout out RaceIQ and UPD. Thank you guys for sending this out. This is a great modification to do on these Supercharger V6 or V8s. They make one of the best pulleys out there. Their pulleys are built very well. I've seen a lot of reviews on their pulleys and they're very light as well. So these pulleys, they're steel, pretty much have minimum or no belt slip at all. I believe this is gonna weigh a lot lighter than the stock pulley. So huge shout out to ultimatepd.com and RaceIQ. If you guys wanna check them out, definitely visit their site. I'll put their link in the description down below so you guys can check it out, but highly recommend these pulleys. So I'm gonna be flashing RaceIQ's tune on here. With the 64mm with RaceIQ's tune, that's gonna probably put this car around 415, 420. This is RaceIQ's tune. I've done a lot of research and RaceIQ's tune pretty much has the most highest horsepower you can gain with these motors, especially for the 32s. If you guys don't know RaceIQ Performance, go check them out, visit their link below. They've got fantastic tunes for this platform, for the V8 Supercharger as well. The 63s, especially the bi-turbos. Don't mess with those. I've seen what RaceIQ can do with those cars. It's ridiculous. That's pretty much it. Pulley, intake, and it should be a banger. To get this job done, you're gonna need a T30 12mm socket for the pulley. You're gonna need an E10 for one of the pulleys to get the serpentine belt off. You're gonna need a clamp, 76 to 127mm. This is the max that would go, 127mm. Teflon tape, screwdriver just to hold on. I'll show you guys real quick, and a torque wrench to torque the bolt for the pulley. I got my T30 over here. There's a bolt right here. You're gonna pull this out. It should be out of the way. Looking at these pulleys, the one all the way down at the bottom there, this guy, this is what you're gonna use your E10 on. When you stick it in there, you should see the pulley start moving, and just take the belt off of that pulley and you can leave it to the side. Next, you take your clamp and you're gonna put it underneath and just tie it down, and you want it around the black section of the Supercharger, and I'm gonna tighten it down with my screwdriver. So this bolt right here, it's a 12mm. You're gonna want to have a flathead screwdriver to hold on underneath right there, and this metal portion right here is going to be supporting. You would have to hold this while also undoing the bolt, and I'll show you guys on video real quick. So do you see where I have the screwdriver? So you just kind of pry it down. There we go. Now the bolt is out. All right, next you want to take this off. And then what we're gonna do next is try and get this pulley off of here. So I have this screwdriver in between the pulley and the Supercharger. I'm just kind of prying it. It's gonna come out eventually. Finally got it off. The difference in weight, oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. Guys, look at that. It's all nice and clean. Also, don't forget, there is this little washer, really thin. Just keep in mind of that. All right, boys, got the pulley on there. Honestly, the pulley is really easy to get back on there. Go ahead and stick this thing in your oven at home. Keep it at like 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Come out here and the pulley just slides on. That's pretty much it. Put some Teflon tape on here. You don't have to use too much, and then you go ahead and thread this in. And I'll let you guys know the torque spec for this. This has to be the reverse order. So where the head of the screw is facing, you want to flip it to the other side. All right, boys, pulley's in. No more noise, because my pulley was making so much noise every time I turn on the car, and even when I went like this. So guys, again, huge shout out to RaceIQ and helping out with this build. send in this pulley to get installed, and that's pretty much it. So I wanted to show you guys real quick on RaceIQ's website. When you're looking for a tune, this is pretty much their site, RaceIQ and if you've got a Benz, you can click on Benz. You can see other makes and models here. So I'll go ahead and click Benz, and you can see a whole plethora of different chassis here. So mine is a C-Class, and you've got the 32 here, you've got the C55, C63, and the C63 bi-turbo. But you can click on it and it shows you what exactly they have. Going back to the C32, this is pretty much the options they have. You can do a reflash for 30 bucks, which, you know, can be a stage 2 from a stage 1. And this is the actual stage 1 tune right here. This is the equipment you'll be getting, and it just tells you details based on the tune you're getting. For Ultimate Performance and Design, this is their site. Their site is ultimatepd.com, like how I mentioned in the video. So you can shop by car. Let's go ahead and hit Mercedes AMG, and you see their pulleys show up here. You've got the M113k pulley here. You've got the clutchless pulleys right here, and actually they've got their pulleys combined with a tune as well, so you can buy both combo, a tune and a pulley at the same time. You've got great belt wrap kits here. They've got some idler kits right here, which is fantastic. I think I might pick up an idler kit here shortly. And ooh, that's cool. They've got some downpipes for E63. Yeah, they've got a whole lot of stuff on here, guys. So let's see if we can find the pulley for the M112. Okay, so you guys can see right here, this is for the crossfire. Yeah, you can see this is the M112k pulley right here. So, you know, you can get that clutched or clutchless and go from there. But that's pretty much the two websites I wanted to show you guys real quick in case you had any questions. So this next part, don't be mad. Trust me, we're gonna get there, but this is gonna be the end of the video because on this platform, there's not a video on how to actually change out the pulley on here. And I definitely wanna have this as a separate video because the next video, I wanna show you guys how to actually tune your car with RaceIQ remotely. So you guys can have an understanding of how I go about tuning my car with the software that you need to tune the car. So that would be a separate video coming out for the 32. And it all ties in with this as well. So that would be a separate video, tuning your car. And this one is pretty much, you know, showing you how to swap out the pulley. And I gave pretty much all the specs that you need for this job to be done. I'm excited to actually get the tune on here. And the next video, I'll go ahead and show you the process on how to tune your car. So you guys stay tuned for that. Yeah, guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you guys soon. This was pretty cool. I actually like this. I feel like a tuner now. We got that. So we'll go ahead and open file.